Okay, guys, here's a tornado it's severe. I don't know. Severe. I don't know. Here's an alert.
The National Weather Service in
Florida
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
South Carolina.
Southwestern Georgetown County in northeastern South Carolina. South central Williamsburg County in northeastern South Carolina until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Trio, or 17 miles south of Kingstree, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Earl, North Santee, Lambert, and Trio. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The tornado warning for West Central Georgia.
Okay, guys, that's it. Bye.